Let's learn vegetables and fruits. Here we've got some vegetables. Potatoes, lettuce, beans, broccoli, a carrot, tomatoes, beans, and a cucumber. And here are some fruits. We've got an apple, a banana, a blueberry or blueberries, a strawberry, a peach, a pineapple, grapes, a pear, kiwi, an orange, a plum, and a raspberry. Now try to remember all the orange fruits. It's an orange. How about the blue and purple fruits? This is a blueberry or blueberries because there are more than one, and a plum, that's true. What about the fruits that are red? No, green. Let's start the green ones first. We've got grapes and yes, it's kiwi. Now the red fruits. Which one is it? It's an apple, strawberry, and yes, it's a raspberry. And at the end, we've got some yellow fruits. Here is a banana. This is a pineapple. This is a, do you still remember? It's a pear. And this is a peach. Peaches are not always yellow, but they are in our case.